Hello dear students, in previous class we started with derivative of carboxylic acid and we already studied the compounds, that is amide, and the next one is now esters. Now esters are the compounds where it contains COOR group. So here ester is a derivative of carboxylic acid because one of the H of COH group get replaced by R and it make it ester. And when we hydrolyzed or when ester undergoes hydrolysis, it get back to the parent acid, that is carboxylic acid, and therefore we say that ester is a carboxylic acid derivative. So now we look towards the method of preparation. The first preparation, we take acid reacts with alcohol in presence of acid, so it removes water molecule and form ester. We can see the specific reaction. Acetic acid reacts with ethanol in presence of acid to form condensation reaction takes place, water molecule get removed here and we get ethyl ethanoate as a final product. The next one or next preparation, suppose we are taking acetyl chloride as an initial reactant and we react it with ethanol, then there is no need of any acid media. So in absence of acid media also the acetyl chloride and alcohol react to form ester. And the third one, when we are taking acetic anhydride as a reactant, it again reacts with alcohol and it gives back to gives us ester and acid. Then chemical reactions of esters. Ester, they are insoluble in water. They are less reactive as compared to acid chloride and acid anhydride. When ester react or undergoes acid hydrolysis, as I said earlier, it generally gives you the carboxylic acid, parent carboxylic acid back, and that's why it is a derivative of carboxylic acid. The second reaction, when we react it with NaOH, saponification reaction takes place. The alkyl group or R group of COOR get replaced by Na, and we get that salt of that ethanoate. So it is a sodium ethanoate. We get sodium salt of that ester. Then when ester reacts with ammonia, it gives us acetamide. Again a small molecule of that alcohol get removed here. When ester undergoes reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, it gives us primary alcohol just like ethanol here, and a small molecule of it gives us ethanol. This ester, it also reacts with Grignard reagent just like CH3MgBr. Addition reaction across C double bond O takes place to form some addition product. It is unstable. Immediately hydrolysis takes place and we get the ketone. Again that ketone reacts with another molecule of that Grignard reagent, and finally what we get a tertiary alcohol here. So these are about the chemical reactions of ester. The next compound is amide. Again amide is a derivative of carboxylic acid because whenever amide undergoes hydrolysis, it comes back to or it bounces back to carboxylic acid or parent carboxylic acid, and therefore we are saying that these amide are the derivative of carboxylic acid. Now how to prepare these amides? We are taking again acetyl chloride or acid chloride. When reacts with ammonia, two molecules of ammonia, it gives us amide, and a small molecule of ammonium chloride get removed here. Again acetic anhydride, when react with ammonia, it also gives us amide, and ester on reaction with ammonia also gives us to amide. But practically or in practice, amides are usually prepared by the action of ammonia or amine on acid chloride. We are taking, suppose we want any aromatic amide, so we are taking benzoyl chloride. It is a aryl chloride just like a acid chloride, and it reacts with two molecules of ammonia to give us aromatic amide, that is benzamide, and ammonium chloride get removed here. The chemical reactions, the very first reaction is hydrolysis of amide to gives us acid. In the second reaction, that is reaction with NaOH, so we get that sodium acetate as a product, means NH2 get replaced by ONA and H plus get removed from amide, and we get ammonia. Then this acetamide or amide reacts with alcohol to form ester. Acetamide undergoes oxidation in presence of P2O5, so it gives us methyl cyanide. On reaction or nitration, it gives us acid. It reacts with NaNO2 and HCl. N2 get removed here. On reduction, acetamide gives us ethylamine, and on Hoffman's hypobromamide reaction, acetamide gives us methylamine as a product. So these are the chemical reactions of amide.